So everyone, today I will discuss the first web version, third question of the DSA Bootcamp Easy category. So here is the question. You are a product manager and currently leading a team to develop a new product. Unfortunately, the latest versions of your product fails the quality check. Since each version is developed based on previous version, all the versions after a bad versions are also bad. Suppose you have n versions 1 to n and you want to find out the first bad one which causes all the following ones to bad. What does it mean? What does this line means? Suppose you have suppose the input which is given is n equals to 5. That means you have 1 2 3 5 4 5. You have this type of 5 versions, and let's suppose they have as I have discussed in the previous question, here also they have given a predefined function that is bad version, and this function returns each version is a good version or a bad version. If this boolean function returns true, that means the version is bad, and if it returns false, that means the version is true, sorry, the version is good, right? So later, and if one version is bad, then the versions after that particular version, all the versions after that will also be bad. Let's see an example to understand clearly. Yeah, so let's suppose they have given n equals to 5. I am taking n equals to 6, right? So the versions will be from 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and we will apply binary search here, and my starting pointer will become 1 and end will come to 6, and the middle element will be 6 plus 1 by 2, that is 7 by 2, that is 3. This will be my middle element, and they have given a bad version function where I have to send each of these versions in terms of middle. When we are applying binary search, we have to give this middle only. We have to give this middle. So I am giving this middle, and if it comes out to be false, if this boolean function returns false, that means this third version is a good version. What does it mean? It means from 1 to 3 all the versions are good version. There is no bad version in it. So I will take my start pointer to mid plus 1, right? If it comes false, then I will take my start pointer to mid plus 1, and again then I will check. This will be my middle element, and I will again pass it to this bad version function. If it comes true, then what does it mean? It means that the fifth version is a bad version, right? And as it is a bad version, so the versions which are present after this middle element version, so those versions will also be bad. The versions will also be bad. They cannot be the good version, right? So I have to move my end pointer to middle minus 1. End pointer to middle minus 1. So the question which was asked is I have to find the first bad one. So here it may happen that 5 is my first bad version. I am not sure, but I am sure that after 5 there will be no good version, right? So I will store my mid value as my potential answer. I will store my mid value as my potential answer. That means, what does it mean by the potential answer? It means that 5 may be my first bad element, or the versions before 5 and the previous middle element, the versions before 5 and the elements after the previous middle versions may contain bad version. So I will move my end pointer to middle -1, and again the mid pointer, new mid, will check here. It is 4, and I will again send it here, and it is coming true. So as it is coming true, so I will again update my answer with my middle element, and I will again do end equals to mid -1. Hence my binary search condition terminates, right? My end pointer becomes here and start pointer becomes here, and it gets terminated. As it gets terminated, I will return my answer. Pretty clear, I guess. I will code and I will then discuss again more if you have any problem. So let's declare the start equals to 1. I'll just copy here this one. End becomes n, right? Everything is pretty clear. I will then make my binary search conditions. There will be a while loop, and then I will calculate my middle. I'll calculate my middle element. What will be the middle element? Start plus end minus start divided by 2. Why I am doing this? I can simply write start plus end by 2, but it will give integer flow sometimes, so it is safe to write this. It's a good practice. So let's do this. We have to store this boolean function. We may store, we may not store, but I am storing. So I am copying this function here. In the version part, I am giving the mid value. When I am giving this mid value, this is bad version, default function will return true, either true or false, right? So I have to check that if result equals to false. Let's take false first. False, then what we have to do? If the result, if it is false, that means what? That means up to 3, in this case up to 3, all the versions are good. I have to move my start pointer to mid +1, right? So I will do that. Else, in the case of false, what will I do? I will store my answer. So I have to declare another variable which will store the answer, right? And I will move my end pointer to mid +1, sorry, mid -1. Like in this case, 5 was the middle element, it is returning again true. As it is returning again true, how it is coming true? Inside what is that isBat function, what is written, we don't bother to look that, right? So here I will return answer. Let's run the code. it's accepted, run successfully, let's submit it. Yeah, it's correct. So this is nothing, it was a pretty easy problem. So in the next lecture I will do this to some 2 input array. It is also a very good problem. I loved it to do that. So if you like this lectures, if you understand, you may like, subscribe and comment if you have any problem. Yeah, so till then, goodbye. I will see you in the next lecture.